What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best garment bag UK of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use for more information on the products? Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. ZEGUR 40-inch travel garment bag. This bag is a high-quality garment bag that offers a degree of protection that is superior to most name-brand bags on the market. It was designed to protect your clothes from damage and wear during travel, though it has also been recommended for use as an emergency blanket by campers and hikers. The zipper makes opening and closing the bag easy, even when it's fully packed. It also has a shoulder strap, so carrying it over your shoulder is easy. The shoulder strap is padded and adjustable so that you can find the right amount of comfort for your body type and the size of bag you have packed. This waterproof garment bag keeps your clothes wrinkle-free and clean and is ideal for maintaining the suits looking super fresh. It is made from fray-resistant and rugged 1800D polyester and has strong clasps and metal zippers. This bag is made to last for a long time because of the high-quality material used to make it. It has a dual buckle that keeps your clothes in place, making sure that there is no wrinkle or crease during the travel. There are 4 pockets inside that will let you keep your shoes and socks in when you travel, and the mesh pocket is great for your scarves or ties. The design is very practical, having 3 internal pockets with zipping that you can completely shut and it will keep your belongings safe, and the 4th has a Velcro closure, which provides a lot of space for keeping the larger items such as your shoes. Number 2. Seyfocnia waterproof garment bag. This is a very durable and high-quality garment bag with a beautiful modern design. It looks good, feels good, and comes at an affordable price. The size is adjustable for all the different types of garments you want to carry when you go out for the night. Its design is also very practical and extremely easy to use. You can put your clothes, accessories, and other small items into it by clipping them onto the fabric hooks on the inside of the bag. I like to keep my shoes in it with my clothes so that when I need my shoes in the middle of the night, I simply have to take the bag off, slip my shoes inside, and put the bag back on again. Leather garment bags look great, especially when you are a man and you are carrying them along. This leather duffel garment has a stylish appearance and is made of high-quality PU leather and super fibers. These materials give this garment bag its unique look and texture. It comes with a detachable strap that is also adjustable so that you can set it as per your convenience. As you travel, you can open and lay this garment bag, and it is a fantastic carry-on garment bag. It has 2 buckles in it that will keep your clothes flat and prevent them from moving on the sides so your dresses or suits can be wrinkle-free when you travel. This is a foldable bag with a capacity of 45 liters. There are several pockets inside and a lot of space for keeping the things in this bag. It also has a zip pocket on the side and a shoe compartment. Number 3. Modoker travel duffel garment bags. These Modoker men's travel duffel bags are loaded with features so you get more out of your next trip. They're made from tough and water-resistant materials that have been designed to resist the elements while keeping their shape in order to maintain their integrity. They also have padded handles that provide a more comfortable and stable grip for long-lasting use and multiple reinforced stacking zones for additional convenience. With Modoker duffels, you can be sure that you'll be getting a high-quality product from a trusted brand. This Modoker men's travel duffel bag is a great addition to any man's wardrobe for years of travel and fun traveling. There are several luggage sets that you can buy and use for the trip, but they do not come with garment bags. In such cases, you have to get a garment bag separately to keep your dresses or suits. This 2-in-1 garment bag by Modoker will solve this problem. You can use it as a weekender bag for overnight travel and a duffel bag for hanging your clothes. The capacity of this garment is 45 liters. This stylish garment bag offers convenience and style in one bag. You can keep your clothes and head for your weekend getaway or a business trip. This garment bag is great for hanging clothes as you travel. You can open it and lay it out to keep whichever type of clothes that you want. It will keep them wrinkle-free throughout your trip at any time, so you will be able to wear them more often and quickly. Number 4. Packshi shirt carrier garment bags. Are you a professional who needs to carry an extra set of clothes for work, a student that has to lug back and forth from school, or someone who is just tired of their old gym bags? If you answered yes, then Packshi shirt carrier garment bags might be the solution for you. Unlike big bulky totes that take up too much space in your car and won't hold enough items for any day at the office, these garment bags have been designed with modern-day portability in mind. Some features of this garments. Multiple pockets for organization. Soft fabric provides an elegant, professional look and feels. Top compartment zips closed to securely store clothing items. Mesh pocket on the front of bag for quick access to tools or valuables in tight spaces. Mesh pocket on the back of the bag for quick access to smaller items such as paper, pencils or gloves. If you are someone who does not like ordering an iron or are annoyed when you have to give your clothes for ironing and wait, then this is a fantastic solution for you. Packshi has made this hard shirt garment bag that protects your clothes from getting creased during travel in a suitcase or a backpack that you are taking along. Your shirts can be transported in perfect condition to your destination. With this garment bag, you will look great even when you have a meeting to look professional as soon as you land. You will also appreciate the comfort of traveling with this garment bag. The garment bag will protect the shirts even when you put them in luggage that is overloaded. It has a folding pad design having round edges. The construction is of a double board that will protect all the edges of the shirt. Number 5. Syeeiex Clothes Cover Protector Bags. Syeeiex clothes cover protector bags are an important product for anyone who loves clothes. These bags help to protect your favorite clothing items from any potential damage. The fabric on these covers is water-resistant and tear-resistant, so it is unlikely that your expensive clothing will be damaged due to water or tears. These clothes cover protector bags also have a zipper seal at the top, which prevents dirt from entering the bag and causing any potential stains or odors on your clothing items. This breathable set of 5 garment bags by Syeeiex is an excellent option for taking it along on your trips as well as hanging your clothes when you are at home. They are one of those bags that you will be using a lot throughout the year. The garment bags are only breathable, but they are also sturdy and lightweight. They will keep your clothes wrinkle-free as well as dust-free when you hold the clothes in them. These garment bags come with a transparent window on them so you can easily see what you have put inside the bag and then quickly select the one that you want to wear. It is perfect for keeping suits, coats, dresses, jackets, or other types of clothes. The material that is used to make these garment bags is a non-woven fabric. The size of these bags is 24 inches by 40 inches, and there are 5 pieces.